morning, my dear students. Today in this session I would like to explain you chapter 1 of communicative English, that is lesson name is keeping fit. What do you mean by keeping fit? In order to feel fit, you need strength, stamina and suppleness. All three are provided by exercise, and to exercise well you need all these three things. Exercise is something that should be started gently and built up gradually. Exercise builds up our strength by developing our muscles. You don't need to be a bodybuilder to have strong healthy muscles. Actually, children don't have the right hormones to do bodybuilding exercises. One particular good form of exercise for children to develop their muscles is swimming. Which exercise is good to build the muscles? Swimming. It is because swimming exercises almost all the muscles of our body. However, simply strength is not enough by itself. A fit person must have excellent stamina. Stamina is that quality of the body which enables us to exercise or work for long period of time without becoming too tired or getting out of breath. The secret of developing stamina is that the more regular exercise you do, the more stamina you can develop. So daily you have to do regular exercise in your life. By developing your stamina, you can work harder, you can do tougher forms of exercise more easily. Running of 1 kilometer race might sound impossible to you, but after exercising for a few months, you will find it easy. Now, the third ingredient of fitness is suppleness. The more easily you can bend, stretch or twist your body, the more supple you are. Suppleness can also help you to avoid pain or injury. If you have a supple body, you can save yourself in case of some danger. Keeping fit is good not only for the body but for the mind also. If you are physically fit, you will remain mentally more active. You will feel mentally relaxed, never tensed. You will always feel fresh and happy too. One of the great things about sports is that there are so many different sports to choose from. They can be team games like volleyball or individually activities like swimming. They can be expensive or cheap. Jogging is a good form of exercise. It costs nothing but does great good to our heart and brain. This great benefit comes from the increased supply of oxygen to the lungs, brain and other parts of the body. Jogging keeps the heart and the lungs quite fit. So you should do daily, you should do jogging exercise. It is very good for our heart and lungs. Physical exercises intended to make the heart and lungs stronger, often done with the music in classes, are called aerobics. Such exercises can be do wonders for our heart, lungs, blood circulation, stamina and general feeling of well-being. Even that everyday activity, walking, is a great aerobic exercise. So daily you should go for a walking. Finally, good exercises give us two life's most essential things, that is, number one is a healthy appetite and a good night's sleep. Be active at home, at school, at play, inside or outside with family and friends. You all have more energy, feel healthier and stronger and full of confidence. Here some tips are given to remain active. What things should be done in your life to remain active? Number one is reduce screen time, not to see more television. Find time for gardening. If you have plants, trees at your home, then you should do a gardening. Take the dog for a walk. If you have a pet, you should take him for a walk. Carry the groceries home. You have to help to your mom and dad. When they go for grocery, you have to go with them and carry that things with you. Join a team to your school. Dance to your favorite music. Yes, of course, at home. There is no need of going to any dance classes or a music class. At home only you can play the music and do the dance. Walk, run or bike instead of getting a ride. Join yoga, hip hop, dance or aerobic classes. Set physical activity goals with your friends and family. Do something you enjoy. Jog, jump, swim, skate or whatever you like. Extra activities you have to do. Now after doing all these activities, which type of benefits you get? So benefits are also given. See, number 1 is freedom from stress. Growth in self-confidence. After doing all these activities, you develop self-confidence in your life. Stronger bones and muscles. Better performance in studies. Yes, of course, your learning capacity will increase and you will get better performance in your studies. Increase in mental concentration. Better social relations and new friends. Improvement in mental as well as a physical health. A healthier heart, a sturdier body and a stronger mind. So from this chapter what you have learned? To be fit you have to do particular regular exercises, you have to play games, you have to go out and play with your friends, do garden activities. All these things if you do, you will remain healthy. So I complete this explanation over here, and now in next session I will give you the exercise, that is hard words and meanings. All that things you have to write in your notebook 2 times. Okay.